Hey friends, welcome back to Freedom Motivator channel. Thanks for coming here today. Today I'm going to talk to you about 5 ways that you can make money online and 5 great places that you can make money online with. If this is your first time here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down there below and ding dong that bell so that you can get notified whenever we post again, okay? Thanks for coming. Hang tight there. We're going to be right back here in just a moment, all right? Thanks. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel here. Today, like I said, I'm going to show you 5 ways or good places that you can make money online, and the benefits of each and the cons of each, if you would. All right, so let's get started and get right in on this for today. And our 5 ways to make money today online that are good places to make money online, and the benefits of each are: one is you have Shopify is one of the places. Another place is Etsy or eBay or Amazon. Another way is to do info marketing, and which is where you're doing ebooks or videos or something like that. And another way is to do network marketing. And the 5th way is affiliate marketing. So let's talk about the benefits and the cons of each of one of those. Now here you have, as you look on your screen here, you have Shopify. Shopify is a great e-commerce platform where you can make money doing Shopify. The only problem with Shopify is you have your you have your products that you're selling, and you got to, number one, you got to drive traffic to the site. To your website, and then not only that, you have to deal with shipping and the customer service, and deal with returns and so on with that, and you're going to have a lot of that to deal with, and you're going to have a lot on your hands to deal with a e-commerce thing like Shopify. Unless you can hire out. I suppose you could hire out and get people from like Fiverr or some other channel like Upwork or something to handle the customer service kind of facet of it for you, and where you wouldn't have to deal with that. That's one way there. Now that you can make a lot of money with Shopify. There's people that's made millions of dollars with Shopify, but it takes time because you've got to drive traffic to it, and you got a lot of work involved with it, with your shipping and everything that's involved in the customer service and so on and so forth. The second thing is we were talking about was Etsy, or Etsy is similar to like eBay or Amazon. All right, now Etsy, eBay, and Amazon. Here again, you're dealing with products that you sell similar to e-commerce. You're dealing with physical products, and again, people have made millions of dollars off of these sites. But the problem again with these type of sites is you still have to deal with the customer service, you still have to deal with refunds and all the things that go along with that, and so on and so forth. Now, eBay, if you've got, if you're selling like antiques or something, or you have something that you found in your grandmother's old closet or something that you want to sell, you can do that. But then again, you just have the packing and the shipping and that kind of thing involved too, which is extra work that just takes extra time and things like that. And time is money, is what they say. So that's the same there, and it works the same with Amazon. Now you can be an affiliate with Amazon, and you can also sell products with them. If you don't want to sell the products that they have on there, and you want to sell your own product. Let's say if you have like maybe you sell woodworking products or something like that. Here again, you have to deal with the shipping and the handling and the driving the traffic to your site, and the customer service and answering phone calls and the refunds, and people wanting refunds. You have to deal with all those kinds of things involved there too. Even with Amazon FBA, Full Business Associate or something like that. I think it stands for. I'm not sure, but even with that, you're still handling the shipping of the products, getting them over to Amazon, and then Amazon will warehouse them and ship them for you. So, but you're still dealing with refunds and things like that. So it's a lot of work involved in it. Not that it can't be done if that's what you want to do. I mean, if it doesn't bother you to do that kind of thing, by all means, it's a good and profitable thing. But it's a lot of work involved in it. And but it can be done. eBay, like I said, you can sell anything on there and do it in an auction type of selling, or just sell the straight buyout thing to there. But here again, you're dealing with the shipping. Now, one of the other things is info marketing. You could get into info marketing where you're selling, like, let's say you made a video of filling a certain niche. You found a niche that's needed and people are asking questions about it on your searches, and you fill a niche. And most people, you want to find a niche, you just go and look up certain keywords in, like, Google. Google's the #1 search engine in the world. There's 4 million people every 60 seconds doing searches on Google for certain keywords and certain things that solve their problems or their issues. So you can always find something on there on Google to find where people are looking for certain things to help them with their problem. You can even use, like, Google Trends or Google Analytics to find those types of things too. Find those type of people that are looking for that. So then you just, let's say you make an ebook or a video, and it's filling this problem that people are looking for, and you just set up a blog, a one-page blog site, and tell them about this, and you market them that ebook that solves their problem and their issue, and then boom, you make money just like that. And then ebooks are easily downloadable. You can just set it up on, like, Google Docs and allow anybody to go there and share it with them, and anybody can go there and download that ebook that you wrote, or your video, or watch your video, or whatever that'll solve their problem. Okay, so that's another way, info marketing. Another way is network marketing. Now, network marketing, the only problem with network marketing is it's a good thing, and people have made millions with this. Everything I'm telling you today, people have made millions with, but there's certain cons about it that you may not like. Benefits and cons both. Now, Amway, as you see here, Amway is the #1 network marketing company in the world, and has been for all my life anyway, and still is today. Another one is Herbalife, and I'm sure you've probably heard of Herbalife. They do their business on a network marketing thing. Now, people have made lots of money with this, okay? But what are the cons to this type of marketing? Well, again, you want to make sure if you're going into network marketing, #1, that they have good products. If they don't have good products, then it's not going to sell, because their main thing is with network marketing is they want you to push the business. They want you to sell an opportunity. Well, that involves you talking with your family and your friends and everything like that, and that's not really fun. I mean, that gets old after a while, because your family and your friends will think that you're trying to push something off on them, and so on and so forth. So you want to make sure with network marketing that the product is good. The product serves a purpose, and it's a good product, and so on and so forth, and you can sell the product too, as well as the opportunity. If people love the product, they'll love the opportunity too, you'd think, right? So yeah, this can be done. You can sell the network marketing products, but in opportunities. But you want to make sure that the products are good, and that they're in demand, and people love the products, and you shouldn't have any problems with that way. Now, with this type of thing, you don't have to worry about you do on some, depending on some of you can warehouse your own products and ship them yourself and deliver them yourself, that type of thing as well too, and so you probably have the shipping and the refunds and things like that to deal with too. You'd have to look into it and see if that's what you want to do. Now, another way of selling is my favorite, is affiliate marketing. The thing about with affiliate marketing is you don't have to make a product, you don't have to warehouse any products, you don't have to ship any products, you don't have to worry about refunds, and you don't have to deal with customer service, such as ClickBank right here. This is just one. There's many others, like JVZoo and plenty of other companies that you can find out. Just do a Google search and you can find out all the different affiliate marketing companies. Now, with ClickBank, other people make the products, for example. All you're doing is being the middleman, and you're just driving traffic to the offer, and then you get paid when somebody signs up or buys the product or whatever. You end up getting paid, and that's all you do. You don't have to worry about anything else. This is why I like affiliate marketing. That's what I did. Affiliate marketing, I don't have to fool with any of the back office stuff or anything like that. Don't have to mess with that. That's the beauty of it. Now, you can do that with a lot of different companies in affiliate marketing. All you do is just drive people to the offer, and once they either fill out a form or buy the product, and then you make money just that way. It's that simple and that easy, and it's clean, very clean way to sell. That's why it's my favorite. Now, that's what I wanted to share with you today, these 5 ways to make money and some of the pros and cons of each one. We have the business I'm in. If you want to get involved in the affiliate marketing company that I'm involved in, you can click the link down below. It's in the description there, and it's just head on over to Mentor with Kev, and you'll go over and you'll see my affiliate marketing, and it's a video that will tell you all about it. And just for going there, I'm going to offer you a bonus of a free e-marketing book, a free ebook about affiliate marketing, and it's called Attraction Marketing, and it's a bonus. It'll help you in your affiliate marketing as well. You want to attract people to you. You'll learn how to attract people to you, so you don't have to find them. They'll be coming to you. All right, so you can get that free ebook at mentorwithkev.com. And sign up and watch the free video there. It tells you and explains to you about the affiliate business that I'm involved in, and it's really good. It's only $30 to get started, and you get 15 free marketing steps that you go through, which will teach you how to market the product. And the product is a high-ticket product where you can make thousands of dollars. One sale with a high-ticket product can make you $1,000 or more. So it's definitely something you want to look into. Head on over to Mentor with Kev, and you can get involved with it there and get your free ebook while you're at it, okay? Well, that's what I had for you guys today. Thanks for coming. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down there and ding the bell so that you get notified when we post again, all right? I'll see you again next time here on the next video, so thanks a lot for coming. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.